You find a new windsock for home?
Yeah, I got the home
Oh,
replacement.
nice.
After the one that our fish that we have now, after it gets faded, I took this up.
Ooh, eagle.
Beads. Oh, a lot of beads.
I know these are placemats, but doesn't this look like you can make big sushi with this? Almost.
It took
Maybe.
me I used to go every summer as soon as school was out.
Not yet.
It's changed a lot. The first time I was there was in the early mid 80s, yeah. So it was
Different, yeah.
yeah, it was small and now when you go like the last time I was there we drove down this road like 8 times and I wasn't paying attention. We kept going down this road and then all of a sudden like we were making the turn, I stopped and I was like, oh, there's the statue we took. Oh my god, we're driving. This is Jalan Oberoi? And my mom was like, yeah, we've been here the past 3 days. I'm like, man, the last time I was here, this was rice paddies. Like, we came around that thing and like both sides of the road was rice paddies and now it's all restaurants and hotels and everything. It's everywhere, yeah.
These are the kites that they make.
The only thing constant in life is change.
Leashes, fins.
Who's showing me this? This is his newest design.
Oh, what's the newest
A
design?
mahi mahi.
Oh, yeah, that is a mahi mahi. Let's see it.
That's his latest one, he said.
Wow.
Yeah.
I see it.
I like the humu humu.
Yeah, of course.
And then that one is $100-something.
Ooh.
Mine was 65.
Nice.
It's all black and just when we and I always joke with this guy. I always joke with Uncle when I talk to him. I'm like, you know, we gotta redesign shirts.
My kids gonna go, what the
And I'm
heck?
like, you know, we just get a black shirt and just print a little tiny white moon. You know how much more money you would make because you're not using all that black ink.
Wow, big moth in there too.
Yep, got 3.
Oh, there's 3. They're pets.
I don't know.
Or they're people.
See, there's one on the ground. I think it died. I don't know why. Right there.
Oh.
And there's one right there.
Oh.
I know.
This one has, I think this one has ants on it too. So.
Oh, it died. See, I went in and I went to look at the dragon. Ouch, $125.
Oh yeah.
Although,
Those are ones that they made or they brought back, do you know? And then they go traveling
I
and
think he brought
uh-oh. Ooh, it's crazy.
Last night my friend was like, I was like, yeah bro, I was down Kapok like 8:30. He's like, oh, you're all late to us. 1:08 PT. I wake up probably, it depends what you mean, what time I wake up or what time I force myself to get out of bed. I'm up early, but I get 2 keikis and I'm an early bird and I make breakfast for them and I gotta get them to school and I like drink my coffee in my peace. So I'm usually up probably at least an hour before sunrise. I make my coffee, I make my coffee and then I go in my backyard and I water my yard and my plants and in the dark. I mean, yeah, in the dark, but the sun is coming up. I gotta do it in time enough so that I get my moment. And my cookies get up, and I make them breakfast and make them lunch to school and get everybody ready. And, you know, it's just easier to just get up. That's why I barely do that. movies on like the weekend. Can't even make it past. My daughter, she will be 11 next month. The last 3 times we watched movies, myself sleep. Her. And she's turning the TV off and waking me up. She's like, Dad, you want
Oh, they do skateboard stuff too. The workshop.
Yeah, last night also. 11:45. Yeah, I told him to my friend, he was like, oh, Papa, 8:30. You never go sleep till 11? Wait, he's bothering now? That's not even 70 cents.
When I go sleep, you wake me up.
That's right. That's my job.
Are these is this family?
That's my mom and dad.
Oh.
Today, dad passed away about 2 years ago. Not from COVID, but during that Was he walking? Oh, that's awesome. I'm glad you got to meet him. That's really awesome. He passed away 2019. 2018, he got real sick. He had a heart problem. And we thought we dodged a bullet because everything was good. We went clean, he came home, and then like 6 months later, he got sepsis. And then back into Walk. He was in the hospital, Queens for like 6 months, and then he lost his half his right leg and half of his left foot. And so the last 2 years was kind of hard. He was in a wheelchair. It was brutal. And then COVID, he came home. He was in the hospital 6 months. He came home in November. COVID hit that next like February, March. And then everything got locked down. But you know, he was with us for another 2 years before he passed away. And then it's been 2 years now. I gotta come to work here every day, so there's a lot of like dealing with it, right? I think I was here like the day after he died on a Saturday. On Monday, I opened the store. I was like, oh, it's brutal. But somebody's gotta. Perfect. Thank you. No, you're good. You made them easy like that.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. But yeah, they opened this store in 1980. My parents moved here in 1976. I was born here in 18. I went to elementary school at Papa Hill, high school. You look around and you're like, what am I doing? Why am I working so hard and not surfing? Some kind of shell. That one may be a dive. Like probably like a one shell. Ironwoods up Hawaii, but not the one down by the beach. That was a good course. I played it a couple times. I shot a 92, a legitimate 92.
A legitimate 92?
A legitimate 92.
Is there illegitimate 92?
Yeah, every time you move your ball, and every time you take a drop, every time you lose your ball and you don't count it. No, a legitimate 92.
Okay, good job. Good job.
Or the
Oh,
Molokai rule, the shaka rule.
that one.
My uncle, the shaka rule. That means like you can, if your ball land on dirt, you get shaka rule. Like if you can find grass within shaka distance from your ball, you can move them onto the grass. I'm like, bruh, that's not fair, uncle. You're not playing with a thing land.
That's
Bruh, shaka rule, bruh. Roll them onto the grass.
That's so funny.
That is funny.
Oh, there's so much goodies in this store.
Yeah.
And that's why you make the ride all the way over here.
Thank you guys very much.
Yeah, thank
Come
you.
back and see us again.
Yeah,
Yeah.
next time we do, yeah, we visit you.
Shoots. Shoots. No, I said. Thank you.
Aloha.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Automatic, thank you.
That's why you guys gotta come check out this store. There's so much goodies in here. Do you see the hydro flask out here? Is that
Oh,
yours?
that's mine.
Oh, okay, cool.
That's my spot, bro.
All right. Wow, there's so much goodies in this store. You just gotta come check it out. It's only 15 miles away from Molokai.
Here.
Making rubbish.
Making a. Thank you.
Oh, that's a nice
I
one.
gotta take a picture.
Okay.
Wait, hold that.
Wait, am I taking a picture? Oh, with my phone?
With the, can you get the sign in there?
Okay, with my phone.
Any phone.
It's a huge one. What's this shit? Oh, where are we going now? We're going Phallic Rock, or are we trying to check in or what?
No, it's too early. Well, they can.
Rock,
We cannot
okay.
check in.
Rock, okay, rock.